Good morning. We, the students of Team 3 here, came up with a project that is local courier logistics. Nowadays, logistics, we are using the word logistics, which means delivering the packages or any goods or vehicles from one person to other person, either in local areas or other states or other countries. Now, we came up with a model, some means technological model which can be updated more newly, means new technology came into the existence. Now first I will explain about what is meant by the project. Nowadays we can see many like Ola, Rapido, like those are otherwise Zomato or Swiggy for food delivery. Those are from they deliver food or goods from one person to other person in a particular time, or they estimate some of the time. But in this it is a direct contact between one user and an admin. In users, there are two persons, with the sender and the receiver. If the sender sends the package, it moves directly to the receiver in particular day. Actually, there are many existing solutions. Means in those delivery options, it may take 3 days, 2 days to deliver the package. But in this, it takes only 1 day. And it is a direct communication between the admin, means any vehicle owner or the receiver. It calculates the load which is present in the vehicle, and they take the parcel to keep in it. It may be anything according to that weight. According to that weight, it may be anything. It may be 1000 kgs or 25 kgs or like that. And there are many others, which software we use, which methodologies we use, and everything. Now my group will explain about them clearly.
So our project need statement is that we propose a system which will monitor the load in real time. So this particular system is a mobile application. It is available in any cross platform. System is that it will monitor the load present in the truck. Now the software which we have used in our system is that JavaScript, database, MySQL, JDBC and HTML. JavaScript means it is a dynamic computer programming language. Functions will reduce the size of the program into a smaller one. So compared to any other language, JavaScript has functions usage. Database is collects the data and stores it in a computer. MySQL is a relational database management system which will keep the data separately in different tables and not jumbling it. And JDBC is a connectivity system. We have used two databases, that is JavaScript and MySQL. For connecting these two databases and producing the output in one interface, we have used the connectivity known as Java-based connectivity. And HTML is a hypertext markup language which is used to create web pages and type the fonts, insert the images, etc.
Advantages in our project. They monitor load in vehicles and having direct delivery options, and it is less cost, and it has permanent doors.
Solutions are Delivery and Blue Dot and FedEx. Gaps in existing solutions are they don't monitor the load in the vehicle, and they don't have the option to deliver it directly, and they are cost effective, and the jobs are not permanent.
Ready.
Coming to methodology, we have three modules. One is admin module, user module and logistic module. Coming to the admin module, here using this module, admin will log in into this application. And coming to the user module, using this module, user will register to this with personal and logistic details. And coming to the logistic module, using this module, logistic person will register with logistic details and upload source and destination details.
Now I am going to explain the output generation and the module description. And this is the MySQL blog. In this we are going to fill the details, how many registrations have taken place, and when we fill in this, it would be generated in the output. And for generating the output we use the NetBeans IDE. When we run the code has been dumped into it, and when we run the code, and the output has been generated. And in this we can use admin, user, logistics, and we can fill the details in the following column.